So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Samsung dishwasher keeps beeping but not error code. Quick diagnostic guide. Fix 1 is perform a hard power reset. Turn off the dishwasher or switch off the dedicated circuit breaker at the breaker panel. Then leave the power off for 10 to 15 minutes to drain residual electrical charge from capacitor. Turn the power back on the check if the beeping has stopped. Second fix is check for a stuck button. Inspect the control panel from grime or food residues. Wipe the panel down completely with a dry, clean microfiber cloth. Press each button individually to ensure a standard physical click. If a specific button is suspected to be stuck, gently toggle it to loose. Third fix is inspect the base pan for a hidden leak. Turn off the power at the circuit breaker, then remove the lower kick plate or access panel at the bottom front of the dishwasher. Check the base pan for standing water on a moisture sensor. Soak up any standing water using towel or a wet dry vacuum. Use a dry dryer on a cool setting to dry the moisture sensor completely. Fourth fix is check for door latch issue. Open the door and inspect the latch mechanism at the top. Check the latch catch inside the tub for any obstruction. Look for debris or food that may hinder proper locking. Push the door closely firmly using until a solid click is heard. Fifth fix is inspect the filter and drain hose. Remove the bottom dish rack from the dishwasher, then twist the circular filter assembly counterclockwise to lift it out. Rinse and scrub the filter under hot water to clear any blockage. Pull the dishwasher slightly out from the wall, then verify that the drain hose is not pinched, kinked or clogged. Thanks for watching.